Hi. Well, this is Isaac and Grandad. We haven't been around a lot, and this is just a little video for a quick walk we're doing, and we're doing it by the River Colne. I don't know if you can hear me, but as you can see behind, we are at the old mill at Uffcombe just now, and we're going. Where you gone? There we are. So we're off now for a little walk, and let's see what we can see.
Don't forget to put a big like on the video, put notification bell, subscribe, please.
Yeah, we haven't got that far yet. Right, well here we are. As you can see, there's the river, and we're off to walk along the River Colne. Okay, so see what birds we can see. I already see looks like a shag-eyed cormorant up in the trees already. Let's see if we can photograph it. Right, Isaac, so what can you hear?
The water in the rain.
The water in the rain?
Yeah.
Nice and quiet though, isn't it? Peaceful.
Yeah, but it's not very sunny.
No, oh well. Let's walk further up then. Well, here we are at the weir. Now last October we walked across that, didn't we?
Yeah.
There's hardly any rain, but this year I don't think we'll try it. It's a bit dangerous that. Very noisy as well.
I found a swing. Swingy!
Now we're going to go along the old railway line going back home, and on this bridge here we'll put some bird seed down, okay? We'll see what birds we can see. Hang on. The weather's cleared up at least, so it's not raining anymore. Bit of sun trying to break out, so it wasn't a bad walk after all.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi. Carry on. Well, we just come across some mushery, mouldy type of things on the tree. Look quite nice. Growing up. That's unusual. Right, so how'd it go, right?
Yeah.
Didn't get too wet?
No, I didn't even get wet.
No, okay. Anything you'd like to say before we go?
Yes, I do. You should, what me and my granddad want to do, to like the video, put a notification bell so it rings, and put the subscribe button from red to grey.
Right, I've heard that before. Bye from him, and bye from me. Good night. Oh well, P.S. I found a place to put him so I can go home, have a bit of peace and quiet. Bye.